How to uninstall IMO from the Android. Looking to remove the IMO from your phone. Maybe you are clearing out some space or just not using it anymore. Whatever the reason, uninstalling IMO from the Android is super simple. So what you have to do is simply tap on your IMO like this. And there you can see an option for uninstall. Simply tap on it. Then after it, IMO will ask you for the confirmation. Simply tap on OK and confirm it. And let's wait for a while. And tap already showed uninstall IMO and it's gone. So it's that easy to uninstall IMO from the Android. I hope this video helped, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.